Hi there! Are you ready to learn English fast using real sentences you can use every morning? Imagine starting your day speaking English fluently, confidently, naturally. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step with real morning sentences that will make your English shine. We'll practice shadowing English speaking, one of the fastest ways to train your brain, your mouth, and your ears all at once. So stick with me, repeat after me, and by the end of this video, you'll feel ready to speak English like a native. Good morning! Before we dive in, let's understand why shadowing English sentences works so well. When you repeat sentences exactly as you hear them, something magical happens. Your brain, your mouth, your ears, they start working together in perfect harmony. Today, we're practicing simple, real-life morning sentences you can use immediately. No long grammar lessons, no memorizing. Just repeat, listen, speak naturally. This is day one of your journey to speaking English fluently. And remember, consistency is everything. Let's start with sentences you say right after waking up. I'll say each sentence, then pause for you to repeat. Good morning. How did you sleep? I feel great today. It's a beautiful day outside. Time to wake up and get moving. Let's start the day with a smile. Now some sentences for your morning routine. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am making a healthy breakfast. I need a cup of coffee to start my day. Today, I will focus on my goals. Remember, the secret is shadowing. Match my tone, my speed, my rhythm. Feel every word as you speak it. Talking about the weather is easy, and it's a great conversation starter. Repeat after me. It's sunny and warm today. I love the fresh morning air. It looks like it might rain later. The sky is so clear this morning. What a perfect day to go outside. Use these sentences every morning. Step outside, breathe, and say them out loud. Your English will start to sound natural, almost effortless. Now let's plan the day in English. Repeat these after me. Today, I have a lot to do. I will finish my work on time. I need to focus on my tasks. I will stay positive all day. Let's make today productive. By shadowing these sentences, your brain begins to think in English while planning your day. Over time, your sentences will flow naturally, without effort. English is more than words. It's a mindset. Repeat these with confidence. I am ready to take on the day. I can achieve my goals. Today is full of opportunities. I am improving my English every day. I believe in myself and my abilities. Say these sentences out loud every morning. Feel them, believe them. Your English and your mindset will grow stronger every day. Let's practice sentences to start conversations. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? Did you sleep well? What are your plans for today? The weather is amazing, isn't it? I'm learning English every morning. Shadowing these sentences will make your English sound natural in real conversations. Each word, each pause, every tone matters. Now, a complete shadowing exercise. Listen carefully, then repeat. Good morning. I woke up early today. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. I am having a healthy breakfast and planning my day. Today, I will stay positive and achieve my goals. I am ready to speak English fluently and confidently. Repeat this 3 to 5 times every morning. Feel the rhythm. Feel the flow. This is how English becomes a part of you. Here's how to make your morning English practice powerful. Consistency is key. Practice every morning, even just 5 to 10 minutes. Use real sentences. Speak words you actually use in daily life. Focus on pronunciation. Don't worry about mistakes at first. Listen carefully. Match tone, rhythm, emotion. Shadow daily. Shadowing is the fastest way to speak English naturally. Amazing job today! If you practiced carefully, you are already improving. Remember, this is day 1. The more you practice, the faster your English will flow. So don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tomorrow, we continue with more real-life English sentences for your daily routine. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. Keep growing. You've got this.